Assalamu alaikum. I'm Abdullah Nafis. My metric number is A20EC4060. So now I'll present my final year project presentation. The title of my project is Cross-Cultural Emotion Analysis on X using Bidirectional Encoder Representation from Transformers. So the type of my project is research. Next, let's see the problem statement. So understanding the impact of cultural factors on emotions in human-computer interaction is crucial because it directly affects the effectiveness and inclusivity of digital platforms. The problem lies in the current challenge of deciphering how cultural diversity and context influence emotions on social media, hindering the development of culturally sophisticated ACI applications. Social media platform X, which was previously known as Twitter, being a rich source of diverse emotional expressions, is invaluable for investigating this issue. The inability to comprehend and integrate cultural nuances in the design and functionality of digital platforms poses obstacles to developing inclusive interfaces, refining marketing strategies, and creating advanced tools for studying human behavior. Therefore, addressing this gap is essential to ensure that AC applications can cater effectively to a diverse user base, fostering a more seamless and culturally sensitive digital experience. So here is the proposed solution. To improve the understanding of emotions on social media, we propose using advanced NLP algorithms like bidirectional encoder representation from transformers, but this approach aims to enhance sentiment analysis accuracy by considering cultural backgrounds and context. Our suggested hybrid model integrates BART, adapting to diverse cultural expressions for a more nuanced analysis of emotional responses on social platforms. The goal is to create a sophisticated system that is capable of accurately classifying text while accommodating cultural and contextual differences. So let's see the objectives. At first, we have to conduct comprehensive data collection and pre-processing of X platform data from specific countries during the COVID-19 period. Then to implement a BART model that is capable of qualitatively assessing people's sentiment from the tweets on X platform. And then to evaluate the BART sentiment analysis model's accuracy and examine the sentiment patterns in tweets made from specific countries during the COVID-19 pandemic. So these are the scope. This research will concentrate on a thorough examination of X data from Malaysia, Bangladesh, Pakistan, and India. So from the countries from Asia, particularly during the COVID-19 pandemic. The focus will be on understanding the unique patterns of sentiments on X in the context of the COVID-19 pandemic in Malaysia, Bangladesh, India, and Pakistan. And the scope will involve using the gathered information from the dataset to evaluate how well a BART model performs a qualitative analysis of sentiments and emotional subtleties found in the tweets sent out by these nations over the given time frame. So the algorithm we have used is BART. BART is an acronym for Bidirectional Encoder Representations from Transformers. It is a machine learning framework for natural language processing. Then these are some literature review I have done, and some more literature review are in the full literature review are in the report. So you can see that Cowie at 2001 highlight the crucial role of emotions in human communication. They emphasizes the need for hybrid system in fields like human-computer interaction. Then Lin and Mo in 2021 enhanced sentiment analysis on COVID-19 tweets using a specialized model. The BART model achieves the highest accuracy at 75.08%. Then Buenar at 2007 challenged the common view of emotion in tech design, urging a shift from treating emotions as measurable states. Then Singh and Zain in 2021 used transformer models BART, Distilbert, Roberta, XLNet, where the BART model achieved the highest accuracy of 93.6%. So this is the flow of the research. At first, the start research, then review, phase one review and studies of the existing techniques. Then phase two is data collection, which will the objective one will be made here. Then the machine learning model development, which is the BART model development. So here the objective two will be met, and then content analysis and discussion, and phase 5 analysis and interpretation of findings. So justification, cultural sensitivity. To ensure that the findings are relevant to a wide range of populations, the research methodology has been especially modified to account for cultural variations in emotional expressions. Then interpretability of the model. The BART model is selected because it can effectively convey cultural and contextual subtleties, offering important insights into the logic underlying emotional classification. Then generalizability, because the study focuses on 4 different nations from Asia, its conclusions can be applied to more extensive cultural situations. Then performance measurement, data quality, the completeness, correctness, and consistency of the gathered data will be taken into consideration while assessing its quality. Cross-cultural comparison and assessment will be made on the validity and clarity of the cultural differences in emotional responses that have been identified. And the model performance, standard sentiment analysis metrics like accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score will be used to gauge how well BART model performs. Then this is the BART model architecture: input, representation, loss function, classification, head, and optimization. Then the dataset we have used is the coronavirus tweets NLP text classification from Kaggle. This is the link of the dataset. Also, we'll do web scraping. And then tools, Google Colab is used for the programming of the research, and the programming language is Python. Then data pre-processing is data collection, remove null values, select specific rows, scaling the data, tokenization of the data, create CSV file. Then data pre-processing procedure, tweets from X platform, then create a data set, then data pre-processing by null value removal, tokenization, specific row selection, scaling, and then training and testing data, then model training, and then giving the testing data input, the trained model will predict. So thank you very much. That was all for my final project presentation.